Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Here to show you today a brand new 2019 G25. The G25 is the ultimate boat to bring all your friends and family on. It's a 19-person capacity boat. For 2019, we added steer assist to this boat. We added the Bimini. This has the new power tower that goes backward, so it's a lot easier to drive when it's all the way down, folded down. Got the 8.8 JLs in this. We got heated seats on both sides. We got everything that you would need in this boat. Steer assist is a game changer in this boat. Be able to spin it on its own axis. And then in the bow of the boat, we do have our bow filler cushion and armrests. The bow filler cushion can be flipped over and it has SeaDek on one side and the fabric on the other, so you can use it for multiple purposes. Come on down to Rogers, your Nautique headquarters here in Minnesota, to take a look at this and any other Nautiques that we have. And also click subscribe to get this video and any other new videos that we're doing all the time.